right, so now we're going to write an equation. So we've got to figure out, let's determine if the major axis is horizontal or vertical. We need to have a and b. If we're given the foci, then we could do c squared equals a squared minus b squared to find a or b. And then we're going to write the equation. All right, so let's see, what does it say? The major axis length is 14 on the x-axis, and the minor axis is length 10. Okay, so here's 0. So from here to here is 14, then how far is it going each way? Well, this one must be at 7, 0, and this one must be at negative 7, 0. And then, let's see, up and down has to be 0, 5, and 0, negative 5. Okay, so, hey, that, tells me all the things I need, I think, because I know that it's going to be x squared over something plus y squared over something equals 1. So, 49 and 25. Think for a moment, see if you can find it. Really, can you find why that is the way it is? So, there's my equation. How about this one? Write an equation for an ellipse with the following characteristics. Endpoints of the axis are 7 and 4. Oh, awesome. Like, it didn't even give me one that was a foci. So endpoints of the axes are that. So I've got x squared over something plus y squared over something else equals 1. A has got to be that. So 49 and 16. We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Lo hicimos. We did it!